Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to connect your Lemfo M3 with Android. As you can see, we have the app here, Smart Time, which we're going to use for this device. Let's go ahead and open the app first. So as you can see, we have three pages. In the bottom we have device, me, and the first page is home, or whatever you want to call it. In the second page we have paired device. Press pair and you can see it found our M3 immediately. Click the M3 and let's see if it found. And as you can see, it found our M3. It vibrates. You saw how loud that vibration was. It moves all the watch. Now that was it. It's connected. You can see the Bluetooth sign and battery sign. In the watch you can see the Bluetooth sign here as well. Also the time is synchronized, which is a good thing to know that the device is connected. And now we are ready to use the app and see what we got. So let's get back to the first page. As you can see, we have today's activities, we have today's here steps and statistic, we have burn calories, distance. You can see you can change from day, week and month. All the statistic will be right here. Next we have the heart rate statistic. Again, you can see right here day, week and month. We have here average heart rate, lowest, highest, all kinds of stuff for heart rate. You will find it right here, which is a very good thing, so you don't have to go through all kinds of pages. So you have to see the heart rate settings or options. We have here the sleep, light sleep, deep and awake. Also we have the timing. You can see down here all these options. We have again day or week, month, etc. Here at the device we saw when we connect, we have here anti-lust, gesture, light up, call notification, SMS notification. We have notification for apps. As you can see right here, you can select or deselect the apps that you want to get notification from. You can see I'm selecting some of the apps that I use the most, so I get notification from them, which is a very useful thing. Next we have the sedentariness. You can activate the sedentary mode, so it will alert you when is the time to walk. We have the alarm here. You can set an alarm. We have heart rate monitoring. So you can, as you can see, we have the start time and end time, which you can customize. So you can set the heart rate whenever you want. We have the search device, which vibrates when you press. We have the wake up gesture, smart camera. We will see all of these in the end of the video. We will test them. We have notification settings, update, a GPS. As you can see, it's updating. It takes a little bit. We have here firmware update. In case any updates for your firmware comes, you can update here. And we have ampere at the bottom. Next we have the profile. As you can see, you can change your name and all your data. You have your gender, height, weight, all kinds of stuff. You can customize your activity goals or steps from 1000 up to 100,000. You can change it, and it says how many kilometers and burn calories you will have to do. You can see here we have more settings, so you can change all your settings and a couple of options. We have here help, in case you need any help or you have trouble with connection or whatever you want, it's needed. We have feedback, and that's all from the app. You can see, as I said, when you press find watch, it will vibrate. It has a very big vibration and it will move all the watch. We have here the camera control. Whenever you press it, it will take a picture, which is very useful things. You can see all the pictures that it's taking. This is an option that you can spy on someone, which is not a good thing, but you can do it. And whatever we have here next, We have the notifications, not to forget to mention, which we always test. Let's see how the notification will work. As you can see, again, a big vibration, and we have the Instagram, it says the name from who it came. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next in the other video.